And just like that, my baby's a walker. Go, 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 Pumpkin. We're going to the park. You walking there? Yeah. Let's go. You ready? Yeah, come on, Bun. Wow, you got it. Let's step up. Up, okay. I'll help you. 1, 2, 3. Step up. You gonna climb up? We could have went around, but we don't have to. You got it. Whoa, stand up. Yeah, let's leave that mulch alone. Up, up, up. Let's go. Let's go to the swing. Go to Dada. Come on. Let's go to Dada and sister. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Where you want to go? You want to explore? Bean and Bun's first ice cream truck experience. And we don't know how we feel about it. We won't know until bedtime. So they start jumping off the walls. More, please. Please. Good job. Babe, can you get more? Thank you. But also, do you know that they charge $5 per ice cream, per popsicle, per everything at this ice cream truck in Tampa, Florida? Tampa Bay, Florida. Yummy, yummy. Boy, moving quick. You quiet over there, baby girl. What's up? It's good? You like the pink one or the blue one? Which one you like? The pink? You shouldn't let her eat it all, but like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's actually a really nice Wednesday. This is the Florida weather that I can appreciate.